I am Hassan Ali, assistant teacher at Agriculture High School. I hope my dear students you are well. I am also well. After news, I shall start about some idea of paragraph. Now look at blackboard. At first, my question: what is paragraph? Answer is paragraph is a details about something. It contains a right description about life and other career. We know paragraph is already contained 100 or more than words. Originally, we can say the definition of paragraph is a details about something. It contains a right description about life and other career. We can also example the life of a farmer. It ordinary details the life of career, life of activities, life of sector, life of hector, life of something and habitual event. After your school or your school library, it contains some of the details. What of the things are there contained? What are the things are available in this sector? Next example, a winter morning. It is a seasonal type of paragraph. It contains the season career and season activities and season time and habitual event etc. Like as example, a doctor. It is a type of paragraph life career. It careers life drive, life habitual and life happening things. Now we can know about the kinds of paragraph. There are mainly four kind of paragraph. These are lifestyle, such as the life of a farmer, number 2 seasonal style. Such as example, a winter morning. Number 3, place better. Such as your school library. Your reading room. Number 4, historical fact. Such as your memorable person. etc. There are also many kinds of paragraph. At first, we try to know what is the career, what is the quality, what is the word meaning of a paragraph. Generally, we know 100 word is content of a paragraph. When we start to write a paragraph, we follow the rules. These are title. We have question, what is title? Answer is easily the heading of a fact, the heading of a place, the heading of a thing is called title. It is also sit down above of the page of your writing itself. Second, description. It is the main part of a paragraph. There are mentioned details, writing of a person, of a fact which is written in the question paper. We follow the rules at first. What I write, what examiner follow, what examiner show, this type of question. We memorable in this idea. Write description of a thing is the main key of a paragraph. Third, remark. It is the also third part of the paragraph. When we write a paragraph, we follow the remark is the main key. There is mentioned only 2 sentences. Such as we follow the cow is a useful animal. Useful animal. So we should take care of it. In this way, we can easily write of a paragraph. My dear students, you also follow the rules of the paragraph. You also follow the writing way of paragraph. You also follow the key of the paragraph. You also follow the title of a paragraph. I understand you can easily understood about this matter. Thank you very much. Welcome.